Joe here with the Rideshare Guy, and today we're going to discuss some apps to help you earn more money without any extra work. And the first app we'll discuss is Fetch Rewards. With Fetch, you can earn points on any receipt from any store or restaurant, and you can redeem those points for gift cards and other rewards. And you can earn rewards on hundreds of different brands. And you submit receipts via the app. You can either take a picture of the actual physical receipt, or you can submit an e-receipt. And they do give you options where you can connect your Amazon account if you want to, or you can connect your email address. And anytime you select the e-receipt option, it will scan your email account for any electronic receipts you may have. And you can use your points to get gift cards from hundreds of different restaurants and retailers. And you can also use your points to get Visa cash cards if you'd like. They also have a referral program where you can invite friends and earn points. And be sure to use our referral link in the description when you sign up to get some bonus cash initially. Next is the Upside app. And with Upside, you can earn cash back from gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores. And you can look at a map view or search nearby to see what offers are available. And when you do find an offer that you like, you just claim that offer. And with a lot of gas stations, they have the check-in option. So when you arrive at the gas station, you just select the check-in button and you pay with the card that is connected to your account. And the Upside app will automatically process your claim within a few days. They also have the upload receipt option where you'll take a picture of your physical receipt and upload that. I personally have been using the Upside app for about 3 years now, and I'm earning nearly $175 in cash back. And they also have a referral program. Each time one of your referrals buys gas, you'll earn 1 cent per gallon, plus you each get a one-time 15-cent per gallon bonus after they sign up. And in my 3 years of referring people to Upside, I've earned over $50. And be sure to use our referral link in the description when you sign up to get a 35-cent per gallon bonus when you first fill up. Next is the Racket app, where you can earn cash back by shopping at hundreds of different major retailers. You can earn cash back within their app by selecting a specific retailer and then shopping at their website within the app itself. In addition to shopping virtually through the app, you can also shop in-store. If you find an in-store offer that you'd like, you select that offer. Make sure to add a credit card in the app. Then you'll link that specific offer, and then you'll use that card in the store to get your cash back. Also, when you sign up using our referral link, you can earn a $30 cash bonus when you spend $30 at any stores on Rakuten. So it's essentially you'll spend $30, you'll get the item or items, you'll earn the $30 in cash back, and those items will essentially be paid for. And you can also take advantage of this $30 referral program when you sign up by inviting your friends. Alright, and the next app is Swagbucks. With Swagbucks, you can get free gift cards and cash for everyday things you do online. And they have paid out their members nearly $750 million. And within the app, you'll see all the ways you can earn Swagbucks. You can answer surveys, purchase things online, submit what they call magic receipts, where you can earn Swagbucks by purchasing certain types of items. And with their referral program, you can refer friends and earn 10% of the Swagbucks they earn for life. And be sure to sign up with our referral link so that you can get an initial $10 bonus. And the next cashback app is Ibotta. Ibotta is very similar to Rakuten, where you can shop at many major retailers and earn cash back that way. With their referral program, you can refer friends and earn $10. And be sure to sign up with our referral link so that you can get another initial bonus. Alright, now we'll quickly mention a few more. The first one is Freebird, and with Freebird you can get rewards for just taking Uber and Lyft rides. There's also Drop, Checkout 51, and Dosh, which are all shopping cashback apps. In addition, there are a bunch more cashback apps, and we'll leave a link to our cashback webpage in the description. Again, all of our referral links will be in the description. Make sure that when you sign up, you use those so you can get some bonus cash. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe, and drive safe. Thanks.